So for this question, you were asked to complete the square to find the vertex. So the first thing you'd want to do is move that 1 over to the other side. And when you do that, you subtract it. And then the second thing that you want to do is, remember, you want to create that A in front of the parentheses. So you've got to factor out the 4 in this case. Then we're going to go ahead and complete the square on what's left here in the middle. So we take half of -2 and then square that number. Now it looks like you're adding 1 in here, but really to the right hand side of the equation you're adding 4 times 1. So we really added 4 to the right, so that's what you have to add to the left. So we have y plus 3 equals, now you've created a trinomial square here, so you should be able to factor this fairly easily. I can condense it down. Instead of writing x minus 1 twice, we can use the power 2 there. And then solve for y by subtracting 3 from both sides of the equation. So this will get it into the standard form that we wanted for the parabola. And when it's in this form, it's easier to pick out what the vertex is by shifting. So our vertex here, it gets shifted to the right 1 unit and down 3. So to the right 1 would be +1, and down 3 would be -3. After that, you're asked to find some various features of it. So for example, the y-intercept. You can let x equal 0. And you can use either of the equations, the one here or the original. I probably encourage you to do the original. It's a little bit easier to see. And we have 4 times 0 squared minus 8 times 0 plus 1. That just works out to 1. So it has a y-intercept of 0, 1. This parabola opens upward because our a value is telling us it's positive, so it opens upward. And that means you have a minimum value. And your minimum value is going to be the y part of this coordinate, which is -3. And if you know that it opens upward, we know what the range is. It's going to go from the lowest y value of -3 up to the biggest, well, in this case, not the biggest, but infinity.